We're first of all asking this question to measure angle A. Now remember, angles are a measure of turn, and the instrument for measuring is a protractor. Now it's really important when you got your protractor to line up a zero with one of the edges, and I'm going to line it up with the vertical edge, like this. So this part of the protractor then goes on where the lines meet. Okay, and we want to measure the turn. So I'm starting from zero and I'm reading around the outside in this case. Sometimes you read around the inside. If I read around, I'm going to get 44 degrees. I think 45 would be allowed and 43, but for me, it's 44 degrees. Write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. It's less than 90. It's called an acute angle. For reference, if it's between 90 and 180, it's called obtuse. And if it goes beyond 180, like here, it's called a reflex. So those are three key words to learn, as well as right angle, which means 90 degrees. Finally, we're asked choose one of these words to complete the following sentence. These are something lines. And the key word is parallel. So parallel is when you have lines a bit like a train track. They just carry on in the same direction and they never meet. Whereas these ones here, like but actually eventually they're going to meet. Let's just take a look at the other words. Perpendicular, that's another one to try and know. And that is when you have two lines like this and they have a 90-degree angle between them. Vertical is sort of when when you're stood up, you talk about vertical being the direction from the floor to the ceiling. So it's up and down, and horizontal would be along. So just be aware of all of those.